Okay, hello. Welcome back to the stream. Boy, do I have a good stream for you today. We're going to be doing quite an ambitious project in today's stream. We're going to be taking SEO Grove, which is currently an e-commerce only tool, and we're going to be trying to make it apply to all types of WordPress websites. This will be a very exciting stream, guys. We've got a lot of things to be getting on with. Welcome to the stream, by the way, if you're tuning in. If you're watching it after the stream has finished, not live, then, thanks for tuning in as well. And let me just make sure that we are live. We are indeed live. Let me just get the chat up as well. Sorry, I should have done that before. I just forgot. Chat filter, all messages. Perfect. So we should see everybody's messages. How's everyone doing today? What are you all doing? Hope you're all having a good day. So yeah, the basic plan for today's live stream is, as I said, getting SEO Grove to work for every website and not just ecom. So what does that look like? So basically what I was doing was I was looking at SEO Grove on Ahrefs, which if you don't know what Ahrefs is, then it's basically just an SEO tool. And yeah, I was looking at SEO Grove and I noticed actually that this page right here was doing pretty well. Exercise equipment SEO company, so /fitness. And this got me thinking, how can we double down on this type of SEO, right? Are you currently at 10K MRR? Yes, we are. Over a couple of different projects. But yeah, we are at 10K MRR. So yeah, exercise equipment SEO company, right? So my logic here was let's extrapolate that. Hello, Harris, how you doing? Oh, sorry, I forgot to email you back. I'm really bad with emailing people back, to be honest with you. So what I did was I typed in SEO company on this free keyword tool generator, right? Keywordtool.io, which is a really good tool, by the way. And it came up with some interesting suggestions. Now, for some reason, it's coming up with things that I didn't look at before. But yeah, one of them was, right, so exercise equipment SEO company. Yeah, I'll make sure to message you back later. Sorry, I just completely forgot. So I found a few. So I'm just going to put 4. So best SEO company for small businesses, best SEO company for real estate, best SEO company for doctors. Now, if you notice, a lot of these are actually WordPress websites, right? Plumbers, window cleaners, automotive, healthcare. These are all most likely going to be WordPress, but they're not actually ecom, right? So my logic here was, why don't we make Grove work for non-ecom websites? Because then we can start to market to more and more people. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's stream. So yeah, let's just basically set everything up. So I'll just go into my Claude, my Grove file and do Claude -- dangerously skip permissions -c. So we're going to be doing dangerously skip today just because I don't want to be pressing enter repeatedly. And then let's just do a clear. Let's do a compact actually. Let's just do a /compact just to make sure we've got space. So as of today, SEO Grove is a fully automated Shopify and WordPress automation platform. I want to make it into something that automates non-e-commerce websites as well, right? So that is the plan for today's stream. I just want to increase the MRR, and there's no better way than increasing MRR, than increasing the pool of people that you are basically able to help, right? Okay, so let's start this off with I wanted to use Git trees. I might just open a few different Claude codes. So just give me a second. Just terminate some of these previous ones from when I was working on it earlier. Just get rid of this 2 and get rid of that 2. Perfect. And then we'll open another one. So new window. CD, grow, codex, and then dangerously skip permissions. Skip permissions. How's everyone doing today? Hope you're all working hard. Okay, so let's start. I want to let's put some plan mode actually. I want to make is this the right model? Wait, model. Yeah, yeah, we're on Opus. Okay. I want to make Grove work for all WordPress websites, not just e-commerce websites. Currently, I have some things for the pop-up modal when they onboard, but I need to do a lot more to make this work. It's quite a complex task, and it includes changing the system significantly as it's currently extremely e-commerce focused. The main way I want to do this is to write articles for people, easy win, and create location plus landing pages for people to add more content to their website. We have most of the building blocks for this, but we just need to tweak a few things. When they select WordPress General, it should have a different sidebar with different options. The options should remove anything that is e-commerce related and replace with service or whatever, or replace with general website growth, such as landing page generator. Base this off the shoppable collections generator we created the other day. And what else? Yeah, the content and the content generator, which works broadly the same, but instead of product, puts their images from the website into the article and writes articles. Can you start by planning this entire process? So this is the planning. I absolutely love planning. What is this? Plugin marketplace, add Anthropic Claude code. Okay, that's pretty cool. So you can very quickly and easily get the front end plugin. Okay, and then in this other conversation here, what I'm going to do here, where I'm, one second, guys. Adoy Monastery, that's a good one. Okay, so what I'm going to do in the other conversation is I want to make the front end reflect a bit more that we now do SEO for WooCommerce and for normal WordPress websites like service niches, doctors, SaaS projects built on WordPress, and basically anything else. The idea here is to change the messaging so it's not so focused on Shopify, especially on the front and homepage and pricing pages. Anything else? How's everyone doing today? Hope you're all working hard. Let's see. And then I also want to add some, White Grove. What else? The blog is not really that important. I don't really care about the blog right now. Yeah, okay. Start by planning this out. Hey friend, hey, how you doing, Omnia? I also want to add some more pages later on based off the /fitness page, which is ranking on Google, but want to make it specifically go after keywords such as Put these keywords in the meta information to help them rank for those keywords. Plan this out for me. Okay, there we go. I follow the channel for a bit now. Always learning cool stuff from you. Thanks. No worries. How's it going, Bronze Design? For WordPress general websites, what specific cyber options do you want to show? I'm thinking dashboard, content generator, landing page generator, tech and SEO. Should I remove search comments translations too, or keep those? Keep every agent except the e-commerce specific ones. The landing page generator, should these WordPress pages, static content, or posts? Pages, probably, right? For the content generated on WordPress general sites, where should the images come from since there are no products? Website media library, AI generated images, stock photos. Website media library plus AI images plus Unsplash photos. We can use Gina s.gina plus keyword and r.gina plus on the specific from the s.gina in order to find images. Make sure not to find Unsplash premium images. Submit. Beautiful. I absolutely love the plan mode, honestly, on Opus 4.5. It's incredible. Do you use Cursor? No, not really. I don't really like Cursor. I specifically mainly use Claude Code. Claude Code is my bread and butter, honestly. So yeah, if you're just tuning in, guys, basically what I'm doing is I'm trying to make SEO Grove, which is my 7,000 MRR SaaS, appeal to more people for, SaaS businesses, plumber businesses, just basically every single business that you can think of. I do not use Cursor, no. CryXDev. I just don't really like it. I'd rather just use this beautiful, amazing thing from Claude Code, from Anthropic, which they're, making better and better every single day, I would argue. How you choose these keywords? They're from keywordtool.io. Keywordtool.io, it's a free tool. You just have to think of like a combination of words to type here, right? So I wrote SEO company for, and then it comes up with best SEO company for real estate. I discovered a very cool program called ATAC, which is an API client and terminal, which means that Claude Code can also use it via batch. Interesting. The service businesses pages, should these focus on local SEO features, or should they emphasize the AI product optimization is features that current landing pages have? How aggressive should the homepage/pricing changes be? Should we keep Shopify mentioned as a primary platform alongside WooCommerce? Let's do equal treatment. For the new niche page, should I create a new service business template variant that's distinct from the e-commerce fitness template, or adapt the fitness template for all niches? Adapt fitness. What's your current MRR? It's in the video title. Hey Rick, mate, how you doing? I found a free way to use Claude Code. Oh yeah? I probably don't want to know, to be fair. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I probably don't want to know about any free ways to use Claude Code. I don't want to get banned, so I'd be extremely careful with that. Second, guys, just need to do something. Okay, I'm back. Just had to blow my nose. I didn't want to expose you guys to that. Gemini Nano Banana, any good? Yeah, it's very good. But they sell your data. Yeah, sounds about right. Now, I don't know how this is going to work with two different plans here. But considering one is just front-end changes, it should be good for changing everything at the same time. Okay, and I have clear requirements. Let me launch plan agents, design the implementation approach. I'm thinking about removing quotas and things as well from this list, but let's see. This looks pretty good. This looks good. Sure. Okay, that should start building. That's our front end changes. And then at the same time, we're going to be doing some back end changes as well. All while we get to 99 mining on RuneScape. The old classic. So yeah, this new comprehensive planning feature from Claude Code is absolutely insane. Okay, so this should start building. I don't think I actually even have Docker running right now. Let's just open Docker. There it is. Okay. You are using two agents at the same time. Any risk that will break your code? Yeah, there is that risk. But because only one is doing front end and one is doing back end, so generally speaking, it should be fine. Or is this coming soon? Nothing is coming soon. Do this plan again. Everything is implemented. Why are you? I don't know why it does that. Okay, so we should have everything running at localhost here. Let's see. Okay, beautiful. Grove optimizes your entire website. Yeah, it started to change things. Beautiful. You could also use Git working tree and then merge everything with pull requests. Yeah, I do know that. I just I'm not doing it right now. Normally I would, but did they change up play mode from plan mode from the feature launch early this year? Yeah, they did. Yeah, it's massively different, and it's massively improved as well. So yeah, basically what this is doing is it's just replacing Shopify across the homepage to make it a little less Shopify dominant, because I don't want to just be Shopify anymore. Yeah, it's completely different, the plan mode now. It's way better than it was. I think I might just delete that video I uploaded earlier. It just did not have the oomph that I was waiting for. I guess people don't care about that. Yeah, I'm just going to delete it. God. I'll make another one later. It's all good. Delete. Yes. Okay. That makes me feel a lot better deleting that video. Sometimes, guys, you just got to cut something off. Is it better to select plan mode rather than rely on it? Yes, definitely. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend getting work trees either. Just things to get messy when you start trying to. Yeah, for sure. I know what you mean. That's why I'm being a little bit, because one's doing front end, one's doing back end. It's just like having a front end, back end dev. It should be fine. There shouldn't be any problems here, as far as I understand it. Okay, so that's like a little less Shopify dominant. Did you try adjusting your thumbnail? Yeah, about 15 times. I'm just gonna make another video later. Sometimes the video topic is just not right for my channel, and I'm not having a video that has 400 views on my channel. I just refuse. Just straight up refuse. So do dev, which begins with S. Okay, beautiful. Yeah, I tried adjusting the thumbnail, the title, everything. It's alright. It happens. You just gotta learn when to just delete the video and move on. It was a good video as well. I spent ages on it, but yeah, sometimes people just don't want to watch them then. Hey man, I've got videos with 2 views on my channel, right? Yeah. Then you know how it feels. Wait, did that just remove /fitness? Nah, surely not. It wouldn't do that. So this page, for some reason, just ranks extremely well on Google. Look at this. Yeah, exercise equipment SEO company. This is such a good keyword. Grove is apparently here. I'm not seeing it, but hey, Emilio Raevo. How you doing? Obviously, this is different because I'm in Ireland, but okay. So this is quite a big job. So if it's capable of doing this, I'd be extremely, extremely impressed by it. So far, so good. Looks we haven't really done much so far. Now let me create the landing page service. First, let me read the shoppable collection service to base it on. Okay, beautiful. Let's just log in here. I would need a WordPress only website. You don't get the keywords from the Google Search Console. Yeah, we also get them from Google Search Console. You can get them from anywhere, really. I need a WordPress website. I just realized I don't have one. Oh, wait, do I? Oh, maybe actually. Hang on. Oops. Maybe I do have one. Let's see. Why is this suddenly estimated cost 33? That can't be right. What? This alone should be 800 a month. I don't really know what the fuck's going on. Okay, weird. Okay, which of these is on WordPress? There must be one. This one, right? Is this WordPress? Oh, nah. Is it? Nah. Fuck. Just need any website on WordPress, please. I must have a WordPress website here somewhere. No, 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 no. Maybe? 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 No. Is this WordPress? No. Is this WordPress? I'm just building my own website with WordPress, and I just searched your YouTube channel because I want to know how to SEO optimize it, and you happen to be live. Nice. That's sweet. That's cool. So these are WordPress, but none of these other ones are WordPress. No, none of them are. Literally. I need a WordPress site. Should that not work? I swear that should just work. No? Oh, this looks good. Okay. Please just be that. So this is a WordPress website. Um, or should I just move forward with WordPress and build my site with some AI tool and get rid of WordPress? It's tough to say, really. It really depends on what you're trying to do. It depends on what you're trying to achieve, right? What type of website is it? That'll be my first question. Okay, so we should have some window cleaners, healthcare. No. Healthcare and window cleaners, etc. Make some more of those. Okay, this is already compacting. That's fine. That's pretty standard. I need a WordPress website to work on. I might just have to fucking launch one. Fuck. WordPress site. Can you spin me up a WordPress site that has one Docker that I can use to test my AI SEO tool? Please also make an account with username, password, admin. Okay, that should be good. Oh wait, don't I have Irish? No, not this one. Irish breweries directory. Is this not live anymore? Nah. What was the other one? Music venues Ireland. Did I have one on hosting? Yeah. I'm a photographer and filmmaker. I've done WordPress websites, but sometimes WordPress is so damn tight. I would potentially check this out. Not this. I'll put a link in the description. This one. People really, really like this. It's one of my most viral. What is it? GitHubs that I've ever used, that I've ever done. You can try that out for sure. It tells you how to use it, etc., etc. If you need a little bit of extra help with how to use it, you can also join the Skool community, which I'll put a link to in the chat as well. But yeah, you can you can try that out. Also, guys, I am sponsored by hosting right now. So I'll just put a link to that too. I hate to push too many things at once, but if you do want to use Hostinger, or if you just want to click that link just to kind of help me, then feel free to click that link just to show that I'm worth sponsoring. That's the wrong thing. But yeah, the first GitHub link I just sent you will help you make a Next.js service-based website using Claude Code. What is the difference between Claude Code, max 100 to download plan, and Claude via the app? Via the app is 1 mil context window. Yeah, it's also, you get way less usage, to be honest with you. You get way less usage. What? Sorry. So roofers, electricians, good. This is perfect. This is what I wanted. SEO company for roofers, dominate roofing searches. It's a little bit cheeky, isn't it? I guess we are an SEO company at the end of the day. Yeah, no worries, Emily. Emili. Okay, so let's get this Docker container running. I think I had one on Hostinger though. Let me just double check. Like I said, I'm sponsored by Hostinger, guys. Hostinger.com/surfers. Use the code surfers to get a discount on annual deals, I think it is. Do I not have one right here? Via API, less usage. No, you get unlimited usage, but it'll cost you quite a lot of money. I swear I had websites here. Where? Oh, what is this? No. Why is this not set up anymore? I swear I had this set up at some point. I don't know. Anyway, whatever. WordPress site. There we go. It should be live here. Perfect. So now we have a WordPress site. If I go to /WordPress-admin, the title. It is true. There's no lie in the title. Okay, beautiful. Can you launch this onto, no wait, can you make this into a service website for a window cleaner in Galway? Just do a home page. HVAC landing page, roofers landing, beautiful. This is really going good. This is, what is this? How similar is the article writer to my current article writer? I spent 10 plus hours making the article writer, so I don't want to just use some random shitty content generator. One second, guys. Just got to blow my nose again. Constantly. Much better. My ears are completely blocked now, though, but whatever. It happens. Okay, so we now have our new landing pages. Let's have a quick look. Window cleaners. No. Let's go to HVACs. HVAC, I guess. HVAC. No. What am I missing here? When I go to /HVAC, I can't see any. OpenAI says they're going to have a new model next week, better than Gemini 3. Good. I mean, if it can one-shot this entire feature, that is crazy, guys. That is fucking crazy. That is absolutely insane if it can do that. HVAC. There we go. Okay. God, that's so good. That's so good. Hey, what are your MacBook specs? It's an M4. Mark says, "Hey, you fell off my feed for over a year. Nice to see you're still around. What are you currently building in this live?" I'm working on SEO Grove, which is my Shopify and WordPress automation platform. Yeah, I don't actually know what happened. About a year ago, something changed with my views. I went from like 1 million a month to 250,000 a month. I'm not actually sure what happened. It was like some weird algorithm thing. But you got to keep grinding. You don't complain. You just keep going. It is what it is. But yeah, thanks for tuning in again. Definitely appreciate that. Roofers. Okay, let's do some more spin up sub agents. Let's do 20 sub agents. Read the current ones, write new ones, pick 20 new niches, give each sub agent all the context it needs, and make sure that the final output is the same as the final output here. Think about niches that generally use WordPress for their businesses. What are you doing? I'm making SEO Grove work for everyone instead of just for e-commerce websites. There's no way it's done already. Nah, I refuse to believe that that's just done. Like that's crazy if it's done already. Let me just log in and see. There's no way that it's just this kind of shit would have taken me ages previously. Like literally fucking ages. Surely it has to restart Docker or something like. Okay, so I need to add a WordPress website. Escrow work for everyone is in the functionality wise or just creating pages for specific niches. I'm making it work for everyone and then also at the same time adding yeah. I'm doing both at the same time basically. So gyms, beautiful, yeah. Restaurants, yeah. Veterinarians, yeah. Photographers, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Build for me. Build me. Okay, paint me like one of your French girls. Anyway, I shouldn't have said that on live stream. Definitely gonna get trolled for that one. Let's see. Okay, we've still just got a test website here. Can you hurry the hell up, please? Is it easy? Is what easy? It depends what you mean by that. Everything's easy if you try for long enough. What does this do? It is a Shopify and WordPress automation platform. That's what it is. Currently, I'm just adding WordPress for all WordPress sites. As of yesterday, for example, SEO Grove specifically worked on Shopify and WordPress. Right, you can see Shopify and WooCommerce. Sorry, what I'm trying to make it do now is to work on Shopify, WooCommerce, and WordPress all at the same time. And then I guess we'll add like Wix and whatever else comes around the corner. Is it easy, the development? It's not really easy. I've probably spent about 3 years getting to this point. However, the AI is getting to the point where it is kind of good enough to just do this shit for you. Like 2 years ago, this wasn't possible. This kind of stuff. Not a sneeze, guys. Wait. Oh God, big sneeze. Does it translate the web or does the SEO for the websites? It does both. It translates as well. It does basically everything you can think of. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. That was pretty cool. Wow. Okay. So yeah, we've got this at the moment. This very basic website. Beautiful. Hey, Big Toasty. How you doing, dude? Welcome to the stream. We're just cooking something up right now that is looking pretty nice, to be honest with you. Okay, so right, the real test here is, does this work? Can you push this to DigitalOcean so I can test it? Are you using free Gemini, Vertex, or paid AI Studio? I'm using Opus 4.5. Claude Opus 4.5, very nice, not hitting the 5-hour limit, even if I'm vibe coding like a psycho. Yeah, true, me too. I'm pretty good, yeah, bit of a cold, but, you know, it is what it is. I think I've always got like a permanent cold. I don't actually know what the hell's wrong. Um, I don't know. Droplet, I guess. Mamma mia, my ears. It's amazing what you're doing. Keep it up. Thanks, In Plus. 1 second, guys. I can't show this. You gotta look at my beautiful face for a second. I've just got to get a DigitalOcean API key real quick. I might actually try this with Hostinger. It's not a bad idea. I might try this with Hostinger. Hostinger API. Oh no, CLI, sorry. CLI. I'll do this another time. I don't have time right now. Not while I'm streaming. Let's just use DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean, regenerate token, regenerate. I hope you like looking at my beautiful face, guys. Yes, I have one. There we go. Honestly, I love the new subagent system where you can type inside the subagent and it asks clarifying questions when it gets stuck. It's so good. It's so good, guys, honestly. Let's see how these subagents are doing. Looks like they're mainly done. I'll show you that, guys, in a second. I'm going to keep adding more and more, by the way, just so you know. I think they changed the maybe try updating the DigitalOcean CLI. I think they updated the CLI or something, because it no longer works. So let's just try and upgrade this real quick. Sorry guys, I can't show you my screen because there's a fucking environment variable which has my entire system on it. So I don't know what the fuck. I don't understand. It has read and write permissions. I don't understand. It's like broke their own CLI for no reason. Really not sure what the fuck happened there. Sorry guys, just give me 2 seconds. You're just gonna have to keep looking at my face for now. I'm almost done though. This is a droplet, right? Do you think there's more money in B2B or B2C? Oh, there's more money in B2B, but B2C is easier to sell. But if you get a B2B client, then the money is normally better and more permanent as well. It's a very, very hard question to answer. It's a very good question, actually. I would say probably. Oh God, that's such a difficult question. Also, B2B and B2C is often quite like, it's more complex than it seems. Because like Grove, for example, would you call Grove B2B or B2C? Because we're selling to businesses, but those businesses are customers. I don't know. It's hard. It's a weird one. It's definitely less black and white than people think, for sure. I think there is more money in B2B though, I would say. If you can create something that saves businesses money, that's where the real money is in life, right? Because businesses are trying to make more money. So if you can save them money or make them money, then you will make money, right? It has read and write permission, bro. I don't understand what's going on here at all. It's just not able to use DigitalOcean anymore. I might have to use Hostinger instead, I guess. Again, I can't show my screen right now because it's not. It's using an API key, so I can't show it right now. Claude is so slow right now. Mine's pretty fast. Okay, so the droplet is finally created. Okay, nice, it's building. What is everyone working on today? What are you guys all doing? You better be working hard. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. I never sneeze just once. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was a big sneeze. Where would you find these businesses then, just like local ones, or through SEO? That's how we're doing it, and also through the channel, obviously. Article writer on Grove is a bit too apparel suited. It loves to use apparel comparisons in the copy. Oh, thanks for that, Pastor Biz. I will check that right now. I just had some feedback from someone saying article writer on Grove is a bit too apparel suited. It loves to use apparel comparisons in the copy. Can you remove any references, any hard coded specific references to apparel to the content writing agent, please? Or first find them and show me them. Currently building a document scanner SDK. Nice. Thinking about Confuser X and .NET Reactor. Sounds complicated. Oh yeah, there is actually. What the fuck? Oh my god. Why does it do this? Why does it always do this every single time, man? Fuck's sake. Sorry about that, Pastor. Thanks for that. That'll be fixed in like 5 minutes. Okay, so let's go localhost 5000 slash therapists. Okay. Beautiful. Mm-hmm. Good. Yeah, that'll be fixed in a second. Oh, you can't see my screen. I keep forgetting about that. I'll show you guys in a second. I'm just trying to get this to work. Oh, won't be long, guys. I'm just SSHing into this WordPress droplet and stuff. I'd like to show you guys this, but I can't risk showing my DigitalOcean. Yeah, perfect. I've updated that pasta. That'll be fixed when I push in a second. I didn't even realize that was happening. Okay, should be good to show you guys in just a second what we've been working on. DigitalOcean again. I really need a way to just block API keys from Stream. That'd be so much easier. My life would be so much easier. I should make one. Okay, it's still not loading. I guess it needs to DNS or whatever the verb is. Come on. So droplets use Docker. That's pretty cool. Now I understand that. I didn't really know that before. Okay, should be good soon. Okay, so for now I'll just show you guys what I'm up to and then I'll go back to that in a second. Okay, so let's have a look at what we just did. So the first thing we did was we made a load of changes. Well, the second thing we did was we just updated the prompts because the prompts were including suit, blazer, jacket for some reason. I did not tell it to do that ever. It's very annoying that it does stuff like this. This is the problem with coding with AI. You should be really, really careful when it uses fallbacks. And then the other thing that we did was we created these pages here. So dentists, really, really nice. I don't know what this is. What the fuck? That looks a bit weird. Um, hmm. Why is this just suddenly different to all the other ones? Why does it do that? I hate it when it does that. I guess that's okay because then it's not duplicate content at least. Okay, Salons doesn't even exist. Beautiful. Slash tutors does exist. Lawyers. Okay, well, I mean, I don't mind it being completely different, to be honest with you. Make sure all the links on the CTA go to sign up. Sorry guys, got a bit of a cold like I said. Back to me for a second, just while I see what this is doing. Okay, so we're SSHing right now into the WordPress. The reason this is all necessary, by the way, is just because I need to be able to test everything properly. I'm gonna sneeze again. Canal. Always sneezing. God damn. Big sneezes. Okay, looks like we're actually composing our Docker now, finally, on WordPress. So it should just be good to continue showing everything that I'm doing soon. There we go, that looks like it's done. containers are running. Beautiful. Now it just needs to install WordPress and then activate the theme. This is pretty cool. I didn't know you could do all of this from your computer. It's nice. So I'm just going to have a conversation with ChatGPT here. So I'll just show you guys this. What businesses are most likely to be on WordPress? How do you get these sites rank without backlinking? Just content, content, content. Church SEO, yeah, true. Not bad one, actually. Okay, looks like this is done. What was the one, the 404 localhost slash salons? So I'll just say salons is 404, just to get it to fix that real quick. Is this done? Still not done. Oh, I understand what it's doing now. It's pretty cool. Okay, very, very close to being done here, guys. At least with the important things. There we go, beautiful. Okay, so we just set up a WordPress website on 159.65.60.169. Beautiful, that's now done. So what I can do is I can go to, yeah, no, true, this is still, I kind of need this running on HTTPS. I don't know if I can even do that. Let me see if I can do that. Wait 1 second, guys. Okay, so it looks like we can encrypt it with, yeah, with this basically, which would be useful. No, it's still 404. Oh, it's not a 404. That's not 404. There's a problem with the. It's probably missing something or other. It's fine, I can fix that. Okay, so we should be good here. I didn't actually know that any of this was possible, the stuff that I've just done in this live stream, so I'm pretty intrigued. Okay, I won't be long, guys. I just need to do these edits. If you're wondering why you're just seeing my face, it's because I can't actually show you guys what I'm doing because of API keys. Honestly, API keys. I hate API keys. They are the worst. I wish I didn't have to worry about them, but I do. So droplets. There we go. Hi, bro. Need advice. I've been using Cursor for about a year now, and I've been hearing Claude Code is life changing, and now I'm kind of stuck in between. Which one should I pay for? $20 plan for Claude Code. You kind of need the $100 plan to really, yeah, get things going. To be honest with you, I won't lie to you. If you can get the $100 plan, get it. If you can't, then yeah, it's tough. I would say you do kind of need the $100 plan. Thanks, though, Caffeine. Zero Caffeine. What is this doing? Can you just please get on with it? So Claude Code over Cursor, 100%. 100%. 1,000%. Okay, good. We now have HTTPS. I think this should now work. So what we can do is we can go to WordPress admin here and then make an account, admin. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to users, click on users here. Thanks, bro. I will follow you. Thanks, dude. Appreciate that. Grove, SEO. And then I should probably, whatever. People want to fucking, whatever. Okay, so now we have everything we need to connect, I believe. I can't actually remember how to connect, so let's just go to localhost 5000 and we can start to see if we can add a WordPress. There it is. So let's add this store. Okay. WordPress username is, I think it's this one, and then it's this one. I believe so. And then live URL would also be this. And then English, and then continue. Connection failed, not found. Hmm. 1 second, guys. To connect a store using WordPress, it says. This might be an issue with the database, I'm not sure. Let's just see if there's any browser logs. Okay, it looks like it didn't restart Docker, which is a very, very common problem. 1 second, guys. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, the WordPress blueprint isn't registered. Classic. Okay, beautiful. Okay, that probably won't work. So I need to. Oh, Okay, yeah, so this makes a lot of sense. I didn't pick up on a lot of the idiosyncrasies of this code. It's pretty standard. What about Google Anti-Gravity? It doesn't have high enough limits to be worth it, in my opinion. Once they allow me to use my Google Ultra subscription, I will probably change my tune. But right now I can't, so yeah. See if there's any new models. I heard Haiku 4.7 was in the mix, but I'm not seeing anything about it. A new Mistral model released under an Apache 2.0 license. Pretty cool. Oh, that's probably not going to work. Just cancel that. Oh, it did work. Oh, yeah, site expander, landing page. Nice. Why does it say coming soon, though? Literally so pointless. Why, like, what is it doing? It really has not done a very good job here. Fairly disappointed so far. It feels like Opus has potentially it's not as good as it was, which is super annoying. Hmm. Oh, yeah, I never asked for site expander to be fair. Okay, landing pages. There we go. Um, what's this website I made? Window cleaning. So window cleaning in Athenry. I bet this doesn't work. Okay, maybe I was wrong. Maybe it does work. I guess it should make suggestions, right? Because we don't really know if people want to rank for certain things. The content machine just should just work. The competitor intel should just work. Translations should just work. Nothing's changed, from what I understand, anyway. Hmm. I can't believe how good the plan feature is, though, honestly. I might have to make another video about it. It's that fucking good. Okay, there's an instant error. Let's do a slash compact here. I'm not leaving until this works. Still just says generating landing page content, which it should not take this long as far as I know. Oh. Oh. Okay. Damn. They made it. Jesus. Okay. Okay. Now we're kind of talking. Publish to WordPress. Does that work? Nah. Almost though. That's a pretty good start, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I might just leave this actually, so that people can come in and do the shit themselves. You should just be able to, yeah. Oh yeah. Edit here. So images none. Why are there no images? Says that they are images. No wait, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, not a bad start. I tried to publish to WordPress and it said no. Was it post ID found or something or returned? Check Docker for the logs. Let's just fix that first. Let's just fix things one by one. So that's pretty cool. It looks like we've actually done a fairly good job here. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay. So I might leave this as more of like a co-pilot, to be honest with you, because I don't know what people want to rank for. I mean, I can make guesses, obviously, but I will add obviously an AI generating thing. But okay, that might just be specific to So I'm not allowed to create posts for this user. Okay. Oh yeah. I need to. It's not this, is it? It's something else. I can't actually remember what I need to do here. What the fuck do I need to do? There's what the hell do I need to do? Use an admin account. Create an application password for an admin user. That's what I'm doing. I am admin, admin, admin. They are just names though. Hmm. Nah, there's a different way to do this. I did something else. I just can't remember what the hell it was. Oh no, that was WooCommerce. Go to the user's profile application password section. Stored username is Grove SEO. Oh right, it's admin. Okay, it's admin. Update it. You may want to adjust the mobile version of the UI so it matches the desktop view better. I've seen your web. Yeah, I know that's a problem. That's fine. Nice. That worked. Now if I don't want it as a draft, so pages, County Galway, post, pages, drafts. There it is, Athenry, preview. Wait, what? I think this is just a theme problem, to be honest with you. It does work, but there's a theme problem here for sure. I know that the mobile view doesn't work. I know that. It's okay. Okay, that's fine. This is all doable. We're actually pretty close. I think for now I'll leave this as a co-pilot, and then in the future I'll go and update some things. One second. Oh, I think. I'm back. I'm back. Sorry, my nose is just out of control today. What the hell? Okay, beautiful. So site expander, I'm not sure if I might just remove that, to be honest with you. Load failed on the AI keyword generator. Can you check this and improve it? Fix it, more like. This is 500. Oh no, that's the wrong thing. I just need to go back here. Even when adding a new page, it just shows the home page. What's Docker Desktop? Docker Desktop is a way to code inside specific environments. Yeah, you should really look into Docker if you don't know what Docker is. It's extremely helpful. Okay, guys, you can just look at my beautiful face for a second while I just do something. Can't show because it's SSH. Okay, let's just see if that works. Good. Okay, so what we have created today, which is pretty exciting actually, is this. This is the very, very first AI generated landing page for a regular WordPress website. Let's just go back here. Let's just see if we can get. Okay, AI keywords still says. Oh, no mind, I'm literally getting a fucking load fail now. So site expander, maybe we can make site expander like a keyword generator. That could be quite cool. And then that pushes it to the next one. Yeah, still got an error, bruh. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. Let's edit this. Find new images. Find images thing isn't working. Can you check? Just as this. I don't know why it just doesn't add logging. Like, I just don't understand why it does that. It's so fucking annoying, guys. It's a complete waste of everyone's time. Yeah, I mean, still, it's done a pretty good job, I have to say. I need to stop being so harsh on it. So yeah, I could get this to generate a fuck ton of suggestions for people, which would be pretty cool. And then from there, they can generate the ones they want to. Okay, this should be good. Let's see, find new images. No, there's no way. No, that's not the issue. Like if you search Athenry window cleaning unsplash site unsplash.com. Oh, oh yeah. Shit, it is too specific. Get AI to get the base terms from the search and then do a site unsplash.com S document search. Oh, it was actually right. Crazy. Cheers, mate. Yeah, I've got something really good in my head here, guys. I think this is what I'm going to do. Mm-hmm. 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 Very nice idea. Okay, let's see if this works. That's what we need right there. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now we know. It should find images. This is exciting times. Very, very exciting. Return 3 images. Why can we not see them? That one's a real image. That's also Unsplash Plus. This needs to use AI to actually the images from the r.gina search, and it needs to avoid Unsplash Plus images. This is key. Also, why didn't that work? Like, I don't understand. Maybe it's just not displaying them here, so if I publish here, then it will work. Oh yeah, no, we've added another one. Weird. They found images, but the images don't. Oh, right, because they 404. Oh, I see. That's a real image. Oh, no. Interesting. Okay, so someone comes in, they hit the dashboard. This is WordPress. These need changing as well. Fuck. Why would it not do that automatically? That's so fucking annoying. Then we see Site Expander. What I'm thinking is this could be like a, generate keywords for you type thing. And then you come here, you send those keywords to the landing pages. It generates all the landing pages, and then it does just everything else for you, just normally. And that's pretty cool. So let's go landing pages, edit, find new images. You're not passing the genus scrape properly to the AI model. I just know this mistakes already. I've seen this a million times. AI is so annoying, guys, sometimes. Big Toasty says, "Hey, bro, is Claude down?" I hope not. I really hope not. Did you try WordPress 3.9 with new API thing? No, I did not. Where's that? Oh. I doubt this is what you're talking about. This is 7 years ago. 7 months ago, sorry. I am not being very impressed with Opus 4.5 this time, to be honest with you. Normally it's much better. They made it so WordPress is now on MCP. You can change everything via AI. Nice. You could already, but that's pretty cool still. Where do you see that? WordPress MCP. Oh, this is WordPress.com though. Is this what you mean? I hate WordPress.com. WordPress.com is disgusting. Is that what you mean though? I really hope not. You don't use WordPress.com, do you? I hate WordPress.com with a passion. Absolutely passionately despise them. Even if they offered me €1 million, I probably wouldn't even do a sponsor. I hate them. Oh no, okay. Sorry. WordPress MCP. Where are you finding this? I'm just not. WordPress.org, maybe. Oh yeah, this one maybe. 3 weeks ago. No. Do you have a link or not a link? Something I can Google to find what you're talking about, Fabio? Why is this not fucking working? Wait. Sec, I'll give you the Google thing. Nice. I don't think you'll be able to share it. I actually need to be able to Google it. This has not been as successful as I wanted. Obviously, the SEO part was easy as usual. Type this WordPress abilities API. Oops. WordPress abilities API. Oh yeah, it's official. Do you like Gemini or Claude more? Claude, 100%. Although I am starting to get pissed off with Claude right now. I'm not really sure what it's doing. Normally, I massively prefer Claude, but I guess it's not perfect. Wait. Of course, it's not finding images here. This is This is an R.Gina. Finally getting something launched, just picked up a couple of domains for it. Do you host your SaaS products with a cell or another solution? I host on DigitalOcean at the moment. Not for any reason. I'd probably look at Hostinger or Vercel. There are many, many, many different options. Terminator is going to get you. I'm getting really annoyed right now with Claude. It needs to stop pissing about. You can read it on Google, introducing the WordPress abilities API. This maybe help with some stuff. Yeah, I mean, possibly. Oh, here it is. Sorry. Yeah, 6.9. Oh, this is actually a pretty big change. So just containerized deployments on droplets in DigitalOcean. That's one example, yeah. This is actually a big change, I've just realized. Oh, thank you for my next video idea, dude. This is how you can do SEO automatically. That's pretty fucking crazy, actually. I'm over here doing this with Grove, and then you just show me that. Fuck. And this is a bit of an exaggeration, to be honest with you, but sure. What? They want plugin makers to use this as in the future from now on. All the big ones are now putting their AI tools on top of this. Yeah, for sure. I might have to make a plugin, it's so simple. Why does it just not check the logs like automatically? I just don't understand. 1 second, guys. Oops. Fuck's sake. Fucking compact. Just use AI for everything. Why does it have to do this? That's why if you'd make a plugin and just send everyone over to the plugin to do the changes, maybe easier. Yeah, true. This isn't an dispatchable plus. It's not. Oh, maybe it is. No, it's not. I'm so close to just dumping this entire thing. I'm getting so annoyed. Still using Stripe for payments or something else now? Still Stripe. I just don't understand why I can't just fucking work this out. I'm going to use paddle. Yeah, paddle's supposed to be good, quite good. Seems better for me. Yeah, nice. I've used paddle before. It's not bad. If it doesn't fix it this time, like I probably just use their own media, whatever tray. But I mean, this is a pretty good change so far. Okay, I really doubt this is actually fixed, but let's see. Maybe my prompting just hasn't been up to scratch today. Fucking Jesus Christ, please. Hey, I just joined the stream. What are you trying to build? Just wanted to know. I'm just increasing SEO groves. What is it? Audience by making it for different businesses. SEO Grove is my automation platform. SEO automation platform. That looked like it actually worked. Oh, Jesus. That took way too long. I was getting way too frustrated then. Okay, amazing. Let's make the final thing here, which is the site expander. My idea here is this. Remove the button from, let's put sometime mode, from finding pages that says, instead, bake this into the site expander currently says coming soon. What it should do is this. Generate keywords similar to my pillar page and then sub pillar page system, which you can find in my keyword generator. Basically, this works by prompt one, generate all pillar pages that are relevant to this business. In this case, that would be location, like broad. How would this work? Guys, take note. This is how to prompt something amazing. Prompt one, generate all pillar pages that are relevant to this business. That would be location pages in this case. For example, if their business is a local business, then generate. They're claiming they have an internal model that beats Gemini 3 and they could release it soon. We'll see. Yeah, I've seen that too. If their business is a local business, then generate all locations relevant to that base location. If it's a national business, then just do all the major cities in that country. If it's international, then don't do anything. entry. Then the second prompt should be services. So all the services that are relevant to that business, generate as many as possible. Make sure to scrape the content of the website using Gina or just internal scraping on WordPress. Generate a business summary. Wait. Generate a business summary from scraping the business's website or the internal WordPress build. However you think is good. You can use r.gina for this if needed. The business summary should include as much detail as possible about the services and locations. Then this should lead to a huge amount of keywords, which they can. I'm using ChatGPT for making prompts. That's good, but you still need to give it like the juice, right? Like what you actually want it to do. That's what I'm doing here. This should lead to a huge amount of keywords, which they can select and say generate content for. This will pass it to the landing page generator, which should generate all of these pages. Let's say 20 a day, 20 a day. Then add a tick box to and include filters and search. No, not 20 a day. Just generate all those pages, one at a time. Then add a tick box to your landing page and include filters and search, and allow them to tick all the ones they want to publish. Then they press publish to WordPress, and this puts them into draft. Wait, can you go on WordPress and just press what is it? You really helped me with that video idea, by the way, Fat J. I'm probably gonna go make that video after this. Droplets, galway cleaning, copy. No. Yeah. Posts, publish, no, pages, drafts. Can you do that and then? Oh, you can't bulk publish. The fuck? Why can you not bulk publish? That's dumb as fuck. What? Into active, not draft. Please give them a warning saying this will publish all this content at once. We recommend doing it slowly. Did you find any Black Friday deals on hosting, etc.? I am sponsored by Hostinger, right? So hostinger.com/surfers. If you want to use Hostinger, I was mainly doing it for the NA10 stuff, but yeah, hostinger.com/surfers. This is the only one I could find. There weren't any others. To be honest with you, I use DigitalOcean because it's so cheap. But I publish all this content at once. We recommend doing it slowly. Uh, then wait, how quick I need to see this preview. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Okay, there we go. Let's see if we can get this going. I think I'm just going to repackage that video from earlier. It should have done much better. Yeah, does it also make the schema? Yeah, it does. Growth does make schema. It's technical SEO. You actually have to download our plugin, but yeah, it does work. Actually, I need to test all this, to be fair. I'm not a paid user, obviously. These are big changes coming to Grove. I'm probably going to push this shortly. Oh, the other news is, yeah, we gave 200,000 credits to every single. Why is it still doing that? To every single Harbor user. So if you're a Harbor user, congrats, you just got 200,000 credits. If you've ever had a Harbor account. If you've ever had a Harbor account, you get 200,000. Also, don't forget people using rank math, Yoast, etc. You need to check if it doesn't have double FAQs, schema and shit. True. Is Claude good and better than at WordPress? Claude is the best that I've used for WordPress for sure. Okay, so this is the real next step to building $1 million app for sure. Is yeah, making it so anyone and everyone can use it. What's about the AI tools? They are all like Gemini 3.0 is still good, but damn, is it slow now? It was much faster in the first week. Yeah, I noticed that as well. For sure, I noticed that as well. I still feel like I'm just scratching the surface in terms of capabilities of Claude. True, me too. This is a pretty big change here. Let's see. I want to see this. Okay. Yeah. Scrape content using analyze website. Beautiful. Comprehensive business summary. Okay. So this is more of a like co-pilot system, to be honest with you. I think this is probably the best way to do it. This should be really, really good, though, I'm gonna guess. Okay, should get something soon. Any second now. Okay, there we go. Internal server error, that's fine. Guys, same here, vibe coding through 7 projects at once. So cool to see some stuff from other perspectives done by others too. Hell yeah, dude. Keep building. Gotta keep building, guys. Just keep building. The more you build now, the less you have to build later. Okay, beautiful. And then you click here, and you can't publish it because it's already published. Okay, publish selected, beautiful. And then there's just this error that we have to fix, and then we should be good here. Okay, good. I'm still getting an error here, but it might just be because Docker didn't restart. No, it's giving me an error. Oh, there we go. Site expander. Analyze my website. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sure. Oops. Okay, good. I'm just gonna do a clear here. I'm impatient. I should not have done a clear there. That was stupid, guys. Okay, that looks like it might be working. Oh wait, did I need to give it the error? I guess. Oh damn, I've been sneezing a lot today. Once I start sneezing once, I can never stop. It's crazy. I'm gonna sneeze again. Oh yeah. There we go. Beautiful. Bless you. Thank you. Okay, nice. So Athenry cleaning services. Why does it say Athenry? Okay, sure. Generate locations. Oh, look at that. That's fucking beautiful. Generate services. Beautiful. What the hell is street free? Right, yeah. Okay. 4,712 keywords. That might be a bit ridiculous. Maybe do like 12 services. Yeah, let's do 12. Also set it to 12 services that are to some two main services. And then every month, I guess we can make it so they can do another one. Okay, let's do this again. I don't want to do too many fucking keywords. That'd just be ridiculous amounts of keywords. Okay, so analyze my website. This time it should do the homepage as well. So it should say Galway. There we go. Galway window, including generate locations. This is going to work. This is really cool. Generate services. Nutty, perfect. 12, beautiful. 1,176 keywords, bang. Look at that. Okay. Wait, generate and publish. No. The button at the bottom of the matrix should say send to, was it landing page generator? True. First time seeing this, how does your backend work? Does it make posting automatically? SEO is a very manual process, isn't it? It posts automatically, yeah. It's not manual anymore. Oh, 91 mining. Fuck yeah. Damn, dude. Nice. I'm almost halfway. Jesus, I'm only halfway. It's not manual anymore. I'll tell you that much. I don't want to generate the content unless I guess we could. Can you just optimize the landing page generator to make it more of a landing page generator? No, but nah, the content was pretty good, to be honest with you. I think this is good, honestly. The problem is that is going to cost money. Which model is this using for the content generation part? The landing page generator. I might just change it to Haiku because otherwise it's going to be a bit too expensive, I think. Yeah, it's using Sonnet 4.5. I'm just going to change it to Haiku, otherwise we're probably going to lose money on this. So, can you change only the landing page generator, nothing else to use? So you have a list of fixed websites which allow automated posting, like in command section of WordPress blogs. No, you connect to your website if you want to post automatically, if that makes sense. I'm not, this isn't backlinking, it's creating content for people. I think you might be confused. Yeah, you're asking about backlinks. Backlinking, I'm not going into that. This is content generation, strictly. Oh, got it. So your platform generates content for users' website. Got it. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. All five generate content calls updated, restarting, beautiful, done. The landing page generated now uses for Haiku. The only other thing is, again, I think this is just a little bit too much content for one sitting. So I might do like 6 locations, 12. Yeah, let's do the 6 largest locations per month. They can come back next month and generate another set of pages. You will also need to feed the previous generations to the prompts so there aren't beats. Same with steps. I just don't want to generate too much content because if you generate 800 pages of content for everyone, then it's just not going to work on Google. $84 pages a month is pretty good. I think we're going to drop the price of Grove as well by like maybe half. Just do it $250 each. So does your tool handle keyword research for people? Yeah, pretty much. Hey Marcus, hey Hamish, watch some of your videos, man. Decided to hop on stream. It's all very interesting, but it looks like some sort of black magic to me. Yeah, just keep going with it, dude. You can join the Skool community if you want a little bit of extra help. There is a link to the Skool community in the chat right now. Or just watch my videos for free, yeah. But it takes like a year or two to get to the point that I'm at, I would say. And then how do we ensure people can't do infinite generations? What's the logic here to stop them generating again and again? Okay, so analyze my website. I should refresh, sorry. Analyze my website. Which tools do you pay for right now? I'm guessing Claude is one of them. Claude is the #1 tool I pay for. I probably pay 2,000 a month for Claude, which is crazy, obviously. Salt Hill, Oramore, Tomb, Not Nakada, Clay Galway, they are the biggest ones. Perfect. Yes, implement that, but how do you reset? Like, when would the reset be? Okay, combine, there we go. Beautiful. Now let's see what happens when we press this. Yes. Okay, generating pages, da da da. So this will take a long time. I guess they need to be able to leave this page, otherwise, like, it's just not going to work, is it? Fuck. Crafting Guild. Oh, hard mine's better. Peace. Hey, the lead blockchain developer. How you doing, dude? Do we have content coming in? Not yet. Is your Docker running your back end project, or is it in something else? It's DigitalOcean online, but on here it's what is this? Looks like we had an error there, so I'll just fix that real quick. Docker for local and DigitalOcean YAML for prod for production. If that makes sense. But yeah, a lot of what I'm doing, guys, is in the Skool community, and also on my channel for free, of course, as has always been the case. Actually, just gonna re-upload a video that I deleted earlier, guys. 1 second. I spent so long on this video. I'm not giving up on it. Did he play Diablo 2? I did not. I've never played it. I played Diablo like 1 when I was a kid. Let me just run through this 1 second, guys. Oh, yes. Done. Not the above. Such a shame that this video didn't do as well as I was hoping. I really thought it was a good video. I hate that. I hate when you spend a lot of time on a video and it just doesn't do well at all. Okay, let's go back here. We shouldn't have had any content there. Beautiful. Landing pages. No, Site Explorer. Okay. Oh. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna guess this is going to work this time. So Galway window cleaning, beautiful. First to grow, where are your customers coming from? Is it through Google search for keyword? You mentioned at the start, you said it's doing 10K MRR. Is it true? The 10K MRR is true, but most of the customers are from the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel. I'm not going to bullshit people. That is just the way it is. Yeah, that's, yeah. Right now they're from the channel, right? I am trying to get him from other places, but yeah, I need to understand the basics, just how to use these apps. It's really overwhelming to start. Yeah, for sure, dude. If you've got money, if you've got a little bit of cash, then join the school. If not, I am planning on making some beginner courses for free on the channel as well. But I do need a bit of time to make those, of course. But once they're made, yeah, I mean anyone should be able to do what I do. It takes a bit of time though. It does take a bit of time. It's complicated. It's not easy. It's not easy like everyone says on fucking YouTube. Definitely not easy. But it's so worth it. It's so rewarding. Okay, let's see. It should get some landing pages coming in soon. Amazing stuff, bro. Good luck. Your school looks fun. I appreciate it. Thanks, Fish Raider. Okay, so there we go. Bang. Window professional window cleaning services in Galway City. Beautiful. Let's just go here. This should still be good. Yeah. Let's go back here. Hey, will you respond to me today? Yeah, I'll have a look. Traffic from YouTube for paying customers. That's interesting. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so what did we just post? This one. Preview. Okay, bang, bang, bang. Beautiful. Obviously, this is not Galway City, but whatever. You can't be too fucking specific with things. Let's see if we get another landing page coming in. Where the fuck's Grove? There it is. There we go. Wait, these are the same. Professional window cleaning services in Galway City. Why did I get two of these? Hmm. What's avoiding people to mistakenly generate too much content on the website, thereby spamming their website? I've already put things in place to stop that from happening. They can only do 120 pages per month, which is still quite a lot. I understand that, but people do have high limits, so people want high limits, generally speaking. I have found. Do you think it would take a lot of time to make a fully NA10 automated circle for scraping the news daily for a specific channel and content it's going to use for short form content, maybe to start? Yeah, you definitely could do that. If you watch my video that I uploaded the other day on NA10, that should help you achieve that. Why are there two of these? That's okay, I think, but I just don't know why there are two. Galway City window cleaning and window cleaning in Galway City. Oh, also, are they actually being published? That's the real question here. It looks like they are. Okay, so pages. They are being published. No, they're not. Yes, they are. I need something interesting to start from worth doing. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of the hard part, right? Oh, this is really good. This is really, really good. Okay, guys, I've actually achieved everything I wanted to achieve, which is pretty fucking nice. So wait, make my test account a paid user and turn on all. Oh wait, the slash dashboard still has the e-commerce specific modules on it. Glad to see you're still building. Learn a lot from you. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah. Both in the master automation and also the toggles further down. Also, I'm guessing the module performance breakdown needs changing for the new WordPress non-e-commerce users slash database tables. Okay, so we're pretty close to actually launching this entire feature. What is going on? I can't even. Safari. The fuck? That was weird. Not letting me alt tab. That's weird. Well, actually, wait. I just realized these aren't automations. So let's just hide the toggle and the live activity feed and just have the dashboard with the new numbers. Ah, yeah, true. Sorry, continue. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's going to be able to do this, but whatever. Why can I suddenly not alt tab? It's so weird. Oh, is that why? Should work. Yeah, weird. Okay, that actually worked. Down here. Oh no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it did work. Mm-hmm. I would love to check out SEO Grove. One question: my product descriptions, not all of them, are optimized with styles. Also, can I exclude products from optimization, or how does AI choose which product? Yeah, I am actually about to ship an update where you can exclude products. It's something that people have been asking me to do, so it's not quite possible today, but next couple of days it'll be implemented. Why is this producing duplicates of everything? Also, for some reason, this is duplicates of everything. Also, the main toggle or master toggle. I did coding for WordPress and Claude. Would it not make sense to use projects for this so you can give Claude all the top tier coding rules for WordPress? Yeah, you could do that. Yeah, for sure. For sure, you could do that. Now fix the master toggle. Beautiful. I'm building for quite long time, various products now, and find out they need certain smaller infrastructure solutions to simplify use and optimize expenses, i.e., easy transactional SMS. Yeah, it's true. The smaller kind of solutions to things is definitely the way to go. 9 times out of 10. Oh, I've got a good title finally. A little peer behind the curtain there, guys. Okay, good. Let's go dashboard here. This should now be done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, now I need to push all these updates in a second. It's a lot of updates. Beautiful, look at that. So nearly done here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. So you come in, you turn on not paid. If an unpaid user tries to click on site expander or landing pages, then it should pop up with the payment module. I actually need to check something. I completely forgot to check this. Does this work? That's good. Does this work? Okay, thank God for that. Wait, what do you mean 12 automations? Oh, no, sorry. Wait. Also, I just noticed when I went on a WordPress site and turned on all modules, it said 12 out of 9 automations turned on. This is wrong. Come on. You did a pretty good job today, though. Okay, so they come on, they've made an account, they press site expander, and it should pop up with that, which it didn't. It's okay. Probably just needs to make a few extra changes, that's fine. Okay, so they make an account, they click on site expander. Okay. Probably just needs to restart. There we go. Right, this should work now. Unless there's an error. So they come on, they press site expander, and there we go. But what if they close that? Well, that's just dumb as fuck, isn't it? Also, I just closed the payment modal and it used it. Generate keywords. Sorry, analyze my widget. Has to be on the buttons and time to start a second project to work on while waiting for Claude to finish. Hell yeah, dude. Sounds about right. Okay, also on this, I mean, this is probably fine. This is not a very good picture of WordPress though. Scenderita. Okay, good. Okay, so you can't actually press this anymore. Beautiful. Unless you're a paid member. Good. Okay. Final thing I have to do is make this paid and then see if it works. And if it works, we're good to go. And I've created Grove for everyone. Yeah. How did you manage that? Tell them.
Honestly, it makes me so angry all the time.
Just wait, man. Just wait, man. Susanna, can I finish streaming, please? And then everyone's. Susanna says hi. Huh? Yeah. We'll go to Harvey, yeah. Oh, probably shouldn't do that, Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Are there any new models yet? I have a feeling there's a new model there. Amazon new model, interesting. Probably terrible. Okay, so let's see if I go back to, I think 2 minute was. Turn that on. Oh, wait, no, the gifting corner. Really? 9 modules running, 9 of 9 running. Okay, beautiful. Turn them all off. On for that store. Okay, go to 159 and we go to site expander. And then we try and make it run. Beautiful. Okay. Make my account a paid account. It's called 159 in the database. It's with S. Okay, that should make it paid account. Why is that still coming out? Hmm. Oh, it works. Beautiful. So now paid accounts have the ability to generate. Guys, I think I've actually done it. I did not expect to be able to do this in one live stream, I'm not going to lie. But Grove now works for every single type of WordPress website, not just e-commerce websites. That's very, very good news indeed. You now have the ability to come here, analyze your website, generate pillars, generate locations. This probably needs slightly changing, depending on what. Yeah, because it's not all location-based pages, right? Would there be any other type of yeah, there would be, right? This is too locations is a bit too this is specifically for service-based niches, I just realized. I've got to change this logic slightly because this only works for locations. But what other types of websites are there, like blogs and stuff, I guess? Watch his blessing effect. ChatGPT. Yeah. Small e-commerce brands. Okay, that works. The final thing is I want you to add to make the matrix more universal. Right now, it's specific to service-based website. If it's a service-based website, fine, this works great. It's not a service-based website, the matrix needs to work in a slightly different way. Also, it shouldn't say service plus location. This might be too complicated, but
Send the text to Jeanette. Send the text to Jeanette.
yeah, perfect. There we go, perfect. Yeah, so good, so good, so good. Oh, yeah, this is perfect. Mhm. Anyone mine? Beautiful. That's exactly what I wanted it to do. So let's just say axis 1 and axis 2 or something. Thanks, Fache. I don't understand why some changes happen and others don't. It's really confusing, actually. Okay. Very, very almost done here. What are you doing? Fishy, fishy, fish, fish. Okay, let's see. It still says generate services. I probably should change that. Access 1 services, access 2. Beautiful.
Oh shit.
Happened. Okay, good. That was a very quick change. Oh, look, it did services and and locations instead of the other way around. It took them already. Generate pillars, generate modifiers. Beautiful. This is now done, guys. This is pretty much production ready, I'd say. I would need to test it on a few other people's websites, but I guess I can give access to people for free and get them to test it. I might just remove this. Let me remove the live feed plus site expander and then you should be able to just set it to hidden. Will you stop being so annoying, Kitty?
Again. Does anybody want to roll me a seat, please? The car roll apparently. This is the second city I'm breaking.
Okay, so we'll push this update. And that should be everything. Hopefully these the new things get indexed as well. What's going on here? Oh, it's pretty easy for it to find this. Yeah, I know there is, so get on with it. Thank you. Hamish, how much are you paying roughly monthly for your AI usage? Roughly. 3,000 USD. Probably more than you were expecting, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, beautiful. Looks like we are now done. I might push to dev actually. I don't know if pushing to main is a good idea with such a massive change, but actually it should be fine. Everything seems fine. Push to dev and make. Yeah, I have 6 people using Claude Code though. I'm not. Also, we have 2 SaaSes that are powered by AI, so I'm not your average user. I wouldn't say. Oh fuck. Wait. Run GitHub. Wrong fucking account again. I have a lot of people using it. That's not just me. That's 6 people using it. One of which uses it a lot. My fiance uses it a lot for content creation, a lot of scraping, etc., etc. Candy. The cat uses it a lot too. Yeah, true. Ugh, fucking hell, 1 second, guys. What do you mean send email? What about SMS? Fucking hell, dude. Okay, we're all set. Good. Okay, it can't find my repo. I'm kind of worried, guys. Oh yeah, I changed the. Yeah, that's what the problem is. You know, in a few years, AI is going to make it all happen, and that you can talk to your pet. I kind of agree with that. Yeah. Bro, what the fuck? There we go. Oof, looks like Claude is down after buying up Bun. Lol. Claude code is still working there. Oh, really? Is Claude down? Oh yeah, Claude AI is down. Crazy. Does that mean new model? Question mark. That normally means new model, right? Nah. Okay, we are pushed. That was a really good session, guys. Obviously, do not push straight to main unless you're an idiot like me. I will do tests at a later date. I'm not going to be testing right now. You will see this build in just a second. Oh, I forgot to add these pages. Add these pages. No, maintain. Add these pages to the sitemap. Um, okay, beautiful. You have DigitalOcean affiliate link. I'm going to spin up my products there since I think it's already containerized on my system. I do not. I should have, but I don't because I'm an idiot. Maybe is there a little thing here, little affiliate? No, you want to go out, right? Just leave her in, man. It's fine. No, I don't have one. It's fine. Just sign up. It's all good. Anyway, have a good night. Time for some art raiders. Hell yeah, dude. I just made some changes to the site now. Oh, shit. Okay, beautiful. That should be absolutely everything. Guys, I'm going to leave the stream there. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you all probably tomorrow, if I am streaming tomorrow. Susanna says bye as well. Thanks everyone for tuning in. That was a really, really good one. Got a lot done. I can just do my job while streaming, which is fucking beautiful, I've got to say. I may get a DigitalOcean affiliate link tomorrow, I'm not sure. But yeah, thanks for asking. And yeah, I shall see you all probably tomorrow. Have a good one, guys.